Welcome to BCED Online. Today we'll be making two different types of paper airplanes. All you'll need are two pieces of paper.
So first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to get a regular piece of paper like this, okay? Now we're going to fold the paper in half lengthwise or hot dog wise like this. You're going to press your hand, make sure you get this crease. You're going to open it back up. Now you're going to take this corner right here and you are going to place it along this edge right here and fold it like so. Now you're going to copy it from this corner right here. I'm just turning it so it's easier for me to show and it's easier for me to do. So you're going to do it like this. So next you're going to do is you're going to move this corner now down to here. So you're going to keep your finger here, you're going to press it along the lines like that. And you're going to see that this edge will pop up and you're just going to fold it along the middle line and you're going to press down. And you're going to want to leave a bit of that hanging, so just make sure that the paper is all nice and folded like so. And you're going to do the same thing over here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this onto the other, just like so, and you're going to press down again, right? Now, this is where things get fun. So you're going to take this flap right here, the one that you just folded onto, and you're going to bend it right here. You're going to want to make sure it's straight, and then you're just going to press down on it, right, just like that. So notice how it's a bit away from the tip, and you're just going to press it down. Now make sure that you still have it. You're just going to flip it over, and you're going to match this onto that. So you're just going to take this, flip it onto that, and then spread it out, just like so. There you have it. That is our first paper airplane. So in this one, you're going to start off with a different piece of paper, of course. You're going to fold it lengthwise like this. Make sure edges are even, similar to how we did it last time. And then we are going to take this corner again, place it along this line right here. We're going to take this corner as well. We're going to place it down the line right here again. So we're going to take this triangle, we're just going to fold it up like this onto this end, just like that. Make sure that this lines up with the crease. So you can see I just folded it where the flaps were. So what's going to happen now is that you're going to leave it like this. You're going to take this corner right here and you're going to fold it into the triangle, just like this. And then put your finger down and crease it out. You're going to grab this corner over here. You're going to place it down like this. And you're going to crease it out like this. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this little triangle right here. You're going to fold it up to meet this line right here. So you're just going to do this. What you're going to do now is you're going to take this edge right here. You're going to fold it up like this. Like so. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and this corner right here, you're going to match it to the corner down there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to do this down to there. And you're going to flip it over and you're going to match it on this side right there. So that is our second paper airplane that we have built. All right, everyone, so here's a friend of mine and she's going to demo how you throw a paper airplane. Here's the second paper airplane that we made.